Jumani fibro kajum tip nam tai kubor lait kami kai tegi don kumba ndrutli ai kami kai ki balat ki ba kan debet ka walk in interview kumut ba haban chulet interview bi direct tekan play kum connect advertisement walk in interview on contract basis against the vacant post of assistant teacher life science and assistant teacher science with maths in Tirot Singh Memorial Government Secondary School like Kansew assistant mistress geography in Panjmount School Shillong assistant lecturer history, assistant lecturer economics, assistant lecturer psychology in Shillong Public School. Shillong is scheduled to be held on a date mentioned below at 11 a.m. in the office of the District School Education Officer Nongri Maula Imkra, East Khasil District, Shillong. Kane kapus jong assistant teacher life science apo Tirot Singh Memorial Secondary School like Kansew, BSc life science biat katulop kadai life hojar ka tarik interview kadai santrik Agos arjar saw jongga assistant teacher science with maths PSC PCM biat tulok kulong live hojar kane ka interview kande ndriu terik bana agos arjar saw de kane assistant mistress geography in Panjmount School BA with geography with biat ka live hojar tulok kane kande new terik jong agos arjar saw de ki assistant lecturer jongga history MA history with biat katulok pada sab hojar ka interview kade pratrik agos arjar saw assistant lecturer economic MA with economic with BEd tulop sapojar interview kan khandai 3 August but assistant lecturer in psychology pihak pendap ya ka MA in psychology with BEd tulop sapojar ka interview kan 3 August arjar saw te gibalong interest but long eligible candidate may appear for the work interview as scheduled along with fill in application the application la pendap leng ba ka standard form the original document are to be produced at the time of the interview for verification. Kas name ka long bait live R plus sans name ka relaxation long live news name. Registration of candidate kan sedang khandai steng step but kin pen code pada post steng janmit kin sedang break interview khat BPJ. Note EDA will be paid for attending the interview. Tegi badan ni qualification ki kwa ban apply nam ta kane ki kwa ban lai nam ta kane interview. Te salek kabran kam kan mau katarik pendapik application form salek nam ta kane ke interview kini post ki balai. Thank you ni jung tip. Kupli shubun.